Y'all got down?
Why are you there?
Damn.
Why are you there?
Look at Bubble, a bubble!
Why the baby fly?
Hot. Y'all think
25 minutes.
you are optimistic. Last time I started at 9:30.
It's good for you though. Keep drinking.
I catch you crickets.
Oh, there's a spider, Daddy, about to crawl on you.
I don't like spiders.
Can I go up there?
Oh, they're getting yellow now.
There's two. Form that we have.
That scared me.
Like I feel like one of those are gonna shoot on us.
Hey, Mommy, what are your glasses on your eyes? Mommy, these will make you happy.
That one was loud. Like a shooting star.
Wow.
See, I just wish they'd do them faster. I think it'd be quite cool if they did them faster like that.
Nah, I appreciate this. That was close.
I feel like everything around here thinks there's meteors coming down.
Yeah. Jack,
What?
do you like them?
That's good. That was close. Mama, you want it? It's raining.
Break over my ears. Ooh, that was. Where's that?
Sounds like it's over there. Maybe Tyler will have gotten